Knowing how to make a really good pot of chili doesn't have to be hard, and today we're going to show you how to make an easy and very tasty black bear chili. Today we're using a mix of ingredients and cuts of bear meat, including 1 pound of ground brisket and 1 pound cubed top round, but feel free to only use ground bear if you prefer. You could even swap out the bear meat for your favorite wild game species as well. To make the chili, get a large cast iron pot over medium-high heat. Add some oil and then your cubed meat. Season with salt and pepper and cook until some nice browning develops on 2 sides of the cubes. Then add your ground meat, a little more oil, and continue to cook until the ground meat starts to brown. Add the chopped onion and green pepper, cook for a few more minutes, stirring here and there. Now add in your spices, the chili powder, oregano, paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper. Stir well and cook for a couple of minutes before adding the tomato paste and cooking for another couple of minutes, just to cook the paste. Finally, add your corn, mushrooms, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and this may sound strange, but some pineapple, which will give you some great sweetness and acidity. Then add some honey, diced tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, and kidney beans. Mix everything well, bring to a boil, then turn the heat down to low. Top with a lid and simmer for 1 to 3 hours. The longer you let it cook, the thicker and tastier it will be. As it cooks, give it a stir every 10 to 20 minutes so nothing burns, and add a little water if things start to get a bit too dry. When it's ready, grab a bowl, add some chili, top with shredded cheese, sour cream, some green onion, corn chips for a nice crunch, and some pickled jalapenos, also known as cowboy candy, for an extra kick of sweet heat. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.